Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the Nifty SLP. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price on SLP has recently broken out another down channel, and after the breakout, we had a nice pump. And this was one of those videos. And now, if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that after this rally, for a while, the price and also broke out this long-term resistance of $0.0021 that was previously breaking as support here and resistance here. And this time, we have again broken it down. However, we have already achieved the target for the breakout from this recent down channel. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that SLP is also forming a very huge double bottom at this very long-term support zone. That starts from $0.0012 and goes to $0.001. That was previously breaking a support zone here and support zone here as well. And now, for example, if the price line will be again drop down, then again it can break a strong support for the price line. And before that, it also broke out this channel and this huge falling wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for Kaito, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this trade setup I shared on 8th of July 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it has been moving inside this channel. And after testing this support line, the price then broke out the resistance of the channel and again tested the support line here and here and also retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support and geared up. And we have already achieved the target for the breakout from this channel that was here at the top of the channel at $0.002. That is also working as a very strong resistance as well. Therefore, now after this drop, we will again need to break out this resistance line. For example, if it will be furthermore dropped, then it can test again this support line that starts from $0.0012 and goes to $0.001. That had been previously acting as support line here, support line here, support line here, and for several days it had been acting as a support line here as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this recent previous down channel is here at the top of the channel at $0.006. And if you take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then here you can see that SLP has already broken out this huge falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.